Hey guys, okay, I need to talk about something that most people are not thinking about, but absolutely should be. And that is what is hiding inside your dryer vent right now. Because I promise you, if you have never cleaned it out, what is in there would genuinely surprise you. And more importantly, it could be putting your home at serious risk. But I found the fix, and it's so easy with this two-piece dryer vent cleaner kit. And we're all getting into all of it right now. Now, let's start with the why. This matters because I really want this to land. Every single time you run your dryer, lint builds up inside your vent. And over time, we're talking about months and years of buildup. The lint that narrows your vent slows your dryer down, makes it work harder, run longer, use more energy. And here's the scary part: lint is extremely flammable. First, let's talk about the vacuum hose attachment. This thing features a premium universal connector design that is compatible with most vacuum cleaners right out of the box. No adapters, no frustration, no compatibility headaches. Just attach it to your vacuum and you are ready to go. And what makes this attachment special is the slim profile design. The inner height is just zero point 0.4 inches and the outer height is only about 0.73 inches, which means it slides into narrow dryer vents and tight crevices that standard bulky attachments cannot reach. That slim design is such a thoughtful upgrade over what you typically find on the market, and it makes a massive difference when you're trying to get deep into those hard spaces. Now, the second piece is the kit, the flexible lint brush. And I love this one because it's extra long, specifically designed to reach deep into your dryer vent and grab that lint that even the vacuum attachment leaves behind. But here's what makes it even more valuable: it also works perfectly for cleaning the coils behind your refrigerator. These coils collect dust and debris over time, and when they're dirty, your fridge works harder and uses more energy. One brush, two major appliances, deeper cleaning all around your home. That is incredible value packed into one flexible tool. Now, together, these two pieces places you simply cannot get into any other way. I really hope this helps.